story, Rabbi.
Yes, of course. What news of the outside world,
Oh, it's terrible, Rabbi, terrible.
Then don't tell me. If I want bad news, I'll read about Noah and the flood. Tell me, Abraham. Surely somewhere there are good things happening. Can't you buy a paper that prints those things?
It's not my fault, Rabbi. I only read it.
Rabbi, did you hear the news?
More bad news?
No, good news. What was entitled, And Your Arrival.
And Your Arrival.
It's wonderful.
We just heard the good news. Mazel tov.
Oh, thank you very much.
It's a nice thing.
Yes, it is.
Very nice.
Thank you.
What is it?
It's a sewing machine.
It's a sewing machine.
It can work twice as fast.
You got it.
I got it.
It's beautiful.
I know.
Have you tried it yet?
Look.
Beautiful.
I know. And in less than a minute, see how close and even the stitches are?
Beautiful.
I know. From now on, my clothes will be perfect. Made by machine. No more handmade clothes.
Look, Mama. Look.
It's wonderful. Mazel tov, Mother.
The rabbi. The rabbi. The rabbi.
Rabbi, is there a blessing for a sewing machine?
There is a blessing for everything. Yiriutzim shetishre hashchine demaise yodecha.
That's your new arrival? What is it, a boy or a girl? Well,
Young killer. Young killer. What? Why isn't he asleep?
Oh, Mama, but he's wonderful. He never cries or anything.
Shut! Do you want to invite bad luck? Oh, well. Well, Mottel. I never thought you'd amount to anything. But look at you and a baby and a sewing machine. You're a person.
Look, I'll show you how it works.
Oh, children.
First, you put the cloth in like this. It's an amazing thing. You work it with your foot and your hand.